So before the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, we have some confirmation related to the phone design and phone specs. First, according to News and Sources Galaxy Z Fold 6, support the Pen for internal and external use. Of course, this is very vague, but if there is to be a Fold 6 Ultra, then it's going to need some specs to differentiate itself from the standard model, and Pen support for both internal and external displays would be a good start. And right, now we have released scheduled of the all upcoming Galaxy devices, and you can clearly see Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Samsung Galaxy Faye are under review. And according to Ross, Young previously tweeted Z Fold 6 Ultra and Z Fold 6. Cheaper version does not really exist, so it's mean we are not going to see Fold 6 Ultra or no Fold 6 cheaper version at the launch event. Now let's talk about the design of the phone case. Manufacturer tweeted the image of the Z Fold 6. And finally, Z Fold 6 come with a wider form factor. The cat here does appear to be a little bit thinner, and it does show the same boxy design, but it's only leak we can't sure about this. And we have another video leaks which show the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 exterior display, tempered glass and ice universe compared Z Fold 6 external display with Z Fold 5. And you can see in this tweet the Z Fold 6 coming in, it's 60.2 mm, and this makes it only 2.8 mm wider. And it also looks to be a little bit taller, but this isn't as wide. Now lastly, Samsung has used the same battery in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, which he used in the Z Fold 5. But the good news is Samsung enhances the battery with the help of AI. Basically, AI analyze the usage patterns and optimize background tasks, which will overall extend the battery life, and apparently this is going to improve it by 5 to 10%. So this is good news for this who want big battery. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.